Maxim 50. A disciple without intention is a lover without money, a traveler without knowledge is a bird without wings, a scholar without practice is a tree without fruit, and a devotee without science is a house without a door. Quran was revealed for the acquisition of a good character, not for chanting written chapters. A pious, unlettered man is like one who travels on foot, whilst a negligent scholar is like a sleeping rider. A sinner who lifts his hands in supplication is better than a devotee who keeps them proudly on his head. You know, you don't want to be one of those, scripture is just some vocal thing. It's, the superior in music, but it's beyond there. That, right? A good-humored and pleasant military officer is superior to a theologian who injures men. One being asked what a learned man without practice resembled. He replied, a bee without honey, or without wax, or without royal jelly, or without pollen, or, Say to the rude and unkind bee, at least forbear to sting, if thou givest no honey.